know what? We haven't bought good cars.
No,
We bought lots of shitters.
lots of shitters.
But
We
then
were
that
supposed to
makes it
start a
fun.
business, but we've ended up taking a scrapyard.
I mean, we went. What is going on, my people? Welcome to the Boost Them All YouTube channel. We have been away for a little while because we've been doing a few little bits and bobs in the background. So we've decided, myself and Corey have decided that we're going to turn our hobby into a business. So we went away, we took a bit of time off, we made a bit of money, we put our money together, and we've pretty much bought loads of cars. So we have been away for a while, like I said. However, now we're back. We're going to have loads of content for you guys, loads of different cars, loads of different projects, and it's going to be fun. So along the way, we have turned our hobby into a business. So now we're official. What are you thinking, Corey?
I am so excited
Should
for
we
this.
show them what's going on?
Let's show them what's going
So
on.
first of all, before we do anything, we're going to have a quick look inside our unit. We gave it a little facelift because before it was sort of, but now we're a lot happier with it. So let's have a quick look inside. Again, nothing crazy to see, but we're going to show you all of the cars that we've bought, and we're going to let you guys know what we're going to do with them. Should we do that?
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go. All right, cool. Quickly inside. So don't look over there. So this is one of our cars. That's the first car that we have bought that we will be doing a bit of work to. So that is our 2005 Fiesta ST. That's going to be a fun project.
Yes.
Because I've never been a Ford person myself. What do you think?
You know what? I've never been a Ford person, but the fact you put a little 2-liter engine in this little car, it's a recipe for a little bit of excitement. Look, it doesn't make the biggest horsepower, 150 horsepower, but when you tie it in with a light car, a small car, it becomes pretty fun.
Yeah.
Believe it or not, you will get this thing on 3 wheels around the
We'll
corner.
see what's going on. Well, when we do what we need to do to it, we'll build it, do whatever we need to do. What we do with it, we're not sure.
Yeah.
I think we might take it on track, might not.
Mhm.
We're going to definitely do a few repairs, tidy her up, because again, she's a little bit rough around the edges, but as a base, it's a very good car. It's a very good car. So again, the unit, we did a little refresh on it, nothing crazy. Again, we're just two regular guys doing what we love. So yeah, man, we'll see what happens. BTA, baby, you showing our little ghetto art.
Yeah.
That's some ghetto graffiti, boy. And yeah, man, so that's pretty much it for inside. We got the
There's some fires. If you guys want to see any content on that, let us know and we will do.
Corey, what have we bought?
What have we bought? Well, what haven't we bought? Because we've gone from nothing to quite a few vehicles.
You know what? We haven't bought good cars.
No.
We bought lots of shitters.
Lots of shitters.
But then
we were
that
supposed
makes
to
it
start
fun.
a business, but we've ended up taking a scrapyard.
I mean, we weren't meant to start a business. This was meant to be a bit of fun.
That's true.
But then we got drawn out. It made sense. I've had loads of offers on my cars, on my car, on my Mini. Loads of offers on your Mini. So
it was like,
it made sense.
Let's buy some
made
Minis.
sense. Let's go, man.
Let's
so
go.
Let's start from
the
one
beginning.
of the cars that we bought.
One of the cars. This is probably the cleanest underneath, but the roughest visually that we have in the fleet. We bought this a couple months ago. It needs a head gasket doing on it, and it needs the interior sorting out. Other than that, it's got a few little mods. I think it's got an exhaust on it. That's as far as that goes. There's nothing else on it. If you want to have a peek inside.
I mean, it's a decent little car, but let's not show them too much because
this
we're gonna.
Is an so there's Astro Black.
That is the Astro Black. Mine's a jet black.
Yours is a jet black. So this is quite a rare color, if I'm right. There's not many Astro Blacks.
There's not many at all.
There's not many at all. But it's got a few little things. So it's got the double clocks.
Don't look inside.
Oh, wait.
Don't look inside.
It's got the double clocks. It's got the chrono pack dash.
It's got a few bits, but you know what? Hold that. We can't show them. Because the transformation that we're going to do in this car, I think it's better to show them the transformation as opposed to correct.
Right,
correct.
Okay, all right.
So number one, we bought this Astro Black R53
R53.
Mini Cooper S. This is
Yep.
the facelift. This is 2006. And yeah, again, we're going to be doing content on all these cars. So stay locked in and you'll see the magic sauce that we throw into every single one of them cars. So what's this one? Talk to me.
So this one is a BRG.
Yeah,
This is a early pre-facelift model.
it is.
It's got sunroof, pretty clean car.
Very clean car.
Very clean car.
Extremely clean car.
Yeah.
Because when we picked it up, it was late at night. I said, you know what, let's go straight home. Corey said, no, we're going to the car wash. Cool, say no more. Anyways, we went to the car wash. We gave it a nice clean. And you know what? It's a million times better than I thought it would be.
Definitely. I mean, there's barely any marks on the bodywork. There's, if anything, there's a couple scratches on the bonnet and there's one on the side. Apart from that, there's nothing else. No real dings, no dents. I mean, you believe this car is 24 years old.
Insane.
23, and it's this good. I mean, come here. Let me show you guys. These minis love to rust the rear ends.
Even mine's is
Look at that.
rusty.
Not a bit of rust
Nothing.
here. You know, everyone, if you've been an R53 fan, or no rust here, and again, no rust
there.
down there.
Yep.
Unbelievable.
Yep.
And if you look at the Astro Black one, for example, which is quite a clean car, you've got rust lovely here, rust common places on the boot, and we've got rust down on the tail light over here as well. Well, not so bad. But
Well,
just a
we're
little
going to
bit
get
over
all
there.
that sorted out. So don't you lot worry. Again, don't look at these cars as they are because that's not how they're going to be finished. But look at them as a blank canvas. That's how we see them.
We're artists
Yes.
building our art collection.
Correct. Correct. So that's stock. That's pretty much stock, isn't it?
Fully stocked.
I think
There
it's
is
got
nothing
a
on
back
it.
box on there. It's got a back box on there. But again, next. Hello, baby. I like this one.
I like this one a lot.
I really
I
like
do
this
like
one.
this one a lot. I do. It's I think it's on social media somewhere, isn't it?
Yeah.
There's a video on the Facebook
Yeah,
groups
yeah,
that were
yeah,
there
yeah.
before we purchased it.
Correct.
This one is going to be very nice once it's done.
Oh, yes.
She deserves
yes.
the treatment from
Oh,
BTA.
Yes. Oh, yes. So it was owned, and I mean, there's a few bits on it that I think is overkill, like all the stickers and all of that. I mean, some people like all the stickers and all the styling, but for me personally, I don't really like this.
But he was a young guy that owned it. You know,
That is
first
true.
car, young guy, Mini Cooper.
Certified shitbox.
It says it somewhere, doesn't it? Yeah, right there.
There we go. Certified
But
shitbox.
again, another good model, another sunroof model as well.
Yep. Facelift. First of the facelifts.
First of the facelifts.
Yep. And again, very, very good car. This car is boosted. It has so many mods on this car that we have a very good base to build a fast road
car.
R53. If
Yeah.
anything, it's better than mine's.
Yeah,
know what I
with the
mean?
grand scheme of things.
Yeah, I mean,
There's
when I
bits
say
of it
that,
that are better on yours, and there's bits of it that have come better on this.
yeah. Is it put together how I would and how Corey would do it? Maybe not. But as a base and as a project with lots of work that we need to do, it
will
makes sense.
100%.
It makes a lot of sense. So lock in for this one. This one's gonna be special. This one's gonna be special. So what else have we got?
We have a Mark V GTI.
Oh yeah, baby.
Oh, yeah.
One
the
of my
good old
favorites. One of my personal favorites.
BWA 2.0 TFSI. Great
Manual.
cars. Great cars. So we bought this off a friend of ours, Chris. And yeah, this one is going to go through a maintenance restoration,
Yeah.
we say. Bit of TLC, bit of love on the suspension, few bits of bobs, and then we're going to flog it.
Correct, because
So-
it was an MOT failure. But again, the bits that it failed on, super duper simple.
Super minor. Super minor.
Simple. So it made sense. Like, we'd be idiots to not take it.
Yeah.
Because again, Chris, he sorted us out massively. He's got a few cars, so it was one of them. It was his daily, innit? So
It's daily for a long time. I remember seeing this on the way to work one morning. I took a picture of this car and I sent it to Gavin. I was like, oh, this one looks nice, you know, just the way it stands from how it looked. And lo and behold, I ended up meeting the owner. And then from there, became friends. And then we've repaired several of his cars. And then we ended up buying this one off of him.
yeah, there we go. So we've got your
My Mini.
that we need to. So your car's now complete. We haven't actually done a video on this.
Haven't done an update video on this.
Because again, we've been away, so we said, you know what, in due course. But when they see it again, when we do a proper video on this
we
thing,
will do an introduction for this one.
correct, because we did the comparison. Well, we got halfway through the comparison when life sort of happened and we decided that, you know what, let's sort of take a little step back from the content side of things and let's build life. So when we actually do the content, we have lots to bring, and we could actually make some money from it, man.
Yes, yeah,
you know?
because that's that. At the end of the day, that's a part of the future as well. Is making money from doing these things.
Yep, correct.
So-
Because obviously we both have our jobs, and to be honest, we do sort of wanna, you know, do this as
Full time.
make
This is
make
our
money from passion, man.
passion.
Make
If
money
you know,
from
if you
passion.
work for, if you do something you enjoy, you'll never work another day in your life.
100%.
That's what we're striving for. But to be the
100%.
best in what we do, at the same time.
Yeah.
So yeah.
We had to
yeah.
save up, spend a bit of money again, take a step back from the content side of things, and then yeah, man, here we are. So we got your Mini that we just spoke about. We got the Mark 5 Golf. We're gonna resto this one. That's gonna be a nice one. We got a
VW Caddy.
VW Caddy.
So
boy.
this Caddy, I know it's a bit dirty at the moment, but it's a very clean vehicle.
Super clean.
Super clean. It's been resprayed. It's had wheels done to it. A few little things. Our plans for this are originally to put a TFSI engine into here and boost it. We had a conversation this morning. We might not go that way.
Maybe we'll see.
Maybe, but we'll see. Again, if you guys want to see us do it, we'll do it. If you don't, we might just put a little diesel engine in it and off she goes, you know what I mean?
See what she's saying, man. But yeah, I mean, she is tidy, man. She is tidy. Again, it's not very clean because it has been sat here for a little while. It is one of the first vehicles that we purchased, but we are going to make it extremely, extremely nice, this one, man. We're going to make this one extremely nice. So there's a car sat next to me. Talk to me a little bit about this one, Corey.
So this is my beloved Himola
Your pride
Red.
and joy.
My pride and joy, my 330 CD manual in Himola Red. I've had this car for many years now, coming on probably around 4 years, maybe 3 or 4 years now. We completely stripped it when I first got it. Suspension, all nuts and bolts, bushings, you name it, we upgraded it.
Stick a pin.
Okay,
She's boosted.
she is boosted.
That's all they need to know for now.
Okay,
Because we'll incorporate that into content.
Yeah.
Because she does need a bit of work.
she does need a little bit of
So
work.
we will revisit that one.
We'll revisit that
So
one.
at the moment, we were just showing you what we've been up to, why we've been away, but we're going to be back. And again, as you can see, we have loaded up. And we actually have a few more cars,
We do.
but they're not actually on site at the moment because we ran out of space and X, Y, Z. So yeah, man, stay locked in, folks. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed that one. Again, this was just really a reintroduction to see what we're on. If you have seen our previous videos, you've seen the work that we've done to my Mini, because that's pretty much all we put out there. So we had so much going on. We sort of just done that video and then this happened.
Yes.
So going from your Mini, my Mini, to all of this in the space of a couple of months, loads of sacrifice, and unfortunately content was one.
Yeah.
But we're back.
We're back.
We are back. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you are new to the channel, my name's Gav, that's Corey, and again, we're just two normal guys trying to build our dreams. If you are a returning viewer of the channel, thank you so much for your support. But yeah, thanks for tuning in. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll catch you on the next one.